Well, it's a short day. We're about ready to get a bad rainstorm. I guess it's supposed to rain for the next 3, 4, or 5 days. Wind's been kicking up. I just finished installing the shifter. It's nice and solid. I was amazing that this Chinese shifter that's supposed to be good for every transmission on Earth actually was almost a bolt-in situation. It fastens back here on the back of the transmission, which I use the same shifter on my C6, a Ford transmission, and it bolted up the same way. So that must almost be a standard bolt pattern back there. There's a certain amount of adjustability, but not much. And this rod here for the shifter was actually the right length. There is some adjustment at either end, as you can see, that thread right there. But even that really surprised me that this actually fit. It's a nice looking shifter, and it's less than $100, where the American shifters are approaching $400 and $500 now. Which they're probably built in China. Maybe that's why these actually fit. They've been building them for the Americans. Now they're selling them on their own. But it's through Temu, and I highly recommend them. It's a gated shifter too, so there's no slop in the shifting.